basically stayed at the Ariel factory. There's various stories about how old it is. Some say it's 1908, some say it's 1904.
Oh right, I thought it was 1906.
There we go, yeah. But I've still got a file of stuff which I'll find and I'll send it to you. And if you look at the 1904 pictures, and then it would have had a surface carburettor here, tank full of petrol right next to you, not very good, and the hot exhaust put down to it to vaporise it. It wouldn't have had front suspension, that's an aftermarket thing. So what you find is that if you ride it, as it goes over bumps, the brakes come on and off.
Yeah, we were talking about this earlier.
Yeah.
I went straight there, straight to
That's it.
Yeah.
This was obviously with a riveted belt. And so I'm going to get on with a lot of information. Dad decided to try and get it back closer to the right spec. So it didn't have a toolbox and it didn't have a chain guard. And the big problem with the engine was the exhaust valve, so it burnt right away. It had gone completely. And at Rolls-Royce Leavesden, he worked there at the time. You basically got to cut the valve set, put a new mnemonic insert in, which should never wear out basically, so it's tough as old boots, so that was a bit of a job. And the apprentice school built the toolbox and the chain guard and one or two other bits that are missing. Alex Little made the saddle, which looks a bit tatty now.
Well, actually it looks quite serious.
Yes. Well, there's a bit of a story behind that, because I come home from school and it was just what Alex had done. He put it on a wooden former, chucked his bucket of water over winter. Alex was a coach trim at London Transport. He really knew his stuff. And then he'd taken it out and it looked a bit too new. So I found this jar of stuff, and it was whale oil, I didn't realise. I polished it, that's why it's got that nice browny colour. Because it uses tacking compound. So that's that little story. And then I tried to bore you too. Tim Healy was spoken up with the brain. Not really,
Is your dad still around?
No, he's gone. London Transport did the mud guards, because that's why it's London Transport Black. Because Alex's bike was London Transport Red and London Transport Black for some reason. And then the gas lights do work if you put some new rubber pipe in it. You just drip the car, they will work. And they do. We never had it moving, but it's quite bright, but non-directional. And then it's pretty straightforward. I mean,
so this is
petrol, that's oil, so that's pump, drive the pump, and then basically set it up for a drip rate of something ripped up to a
I mean, to be honest, I think we either need written instructions, very clear written instructions, or we won't start it without somebody who knows what they're doing.
And then basically, all dribbles out down here. When I remember the old man when he had the engine apart, you look at the camshaft, there's no overlap at all. But then of course there's no point, because if you had any overlap, there's actually inlets there and the exhaust is there, it's basically goes straight out the exhaust pipe. So pretty pointless. But I mean, I haven't ridden this for a long time, but the most effective brake is just to put a decompressor on it, let the engine slow down. The real pain in the neck with it is if you get to a road junction, because there's no clutch to pedal off.
Right, okay.
But if you've got a quiet little road somewhere and it's nothing around, it does handle quite well. Yeah, it's quite a good. But yeah, so she's a great survivor, I think.